Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to remove the shadows from the icons text on the desktop. Sometimes it doesn't look neat and few people want to remove this but they don't know how to do it. So stick around, I'll show you how. So simply you need to press Windows R from your keyboard and then you need to type here sysdm.cpl. After typing this, just simply you need to click on OK. After clicking on OK, you can see here different options. So you need to click on this advanced option. After clicking on this advanced option, you have this performance, and in this there is a setting. So just simply click on the setting. After clicking on setting, then you can see here that there is an option use drop shadow for icon labels on deck. So just simply click this. After clicking this, then you need to simply click on apply and click on OK. Now you need to restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, you can see here that now the desktop icons are without shadow. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Bye.